Mom, she's trying to get my backdrop tie. The cat's trying to get my backdrop. Great. Hey guys. Ah! Don't tear it down. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be real crazy, which is totally different from any other video I film, right? Not. Today we are going to be filming a doing my makeup, or like, let me start over. Picking out my makeup blindfolded, and I saw Sylvia do this video. That's the person that I saw do it. I'm not sure who created the challenge, but if we want to give that person credit in the comment section to show them some love. I did see Sylvia film this a long time ago, and I loved her video. So the way I did it, I just opened, since I have like 2 or 3 drawers with highlighters in it, I picked one and opened it, and I picked from the drawers that were open, so I wouldn't pick like 3 primers and no foundation. That way the whole video would make sense, if that makes sense. I am very excited to do this video. I think it's gonna be hilarious. I can't wait to see what I pick out, because I have a lot of makeup that I don't wear all the time. I just have it to film videos with, to test it out. You guys know I'm a first impression queen. Without further ado, we're gonna sing the subscribe song. Let's sing it together, or you can skip through it if you don't like it.
Subscribe to her channel before you leave. Subscribe! Love you, Laura.
Now we're gonna jump right into the video. Okay guys, I literally can't see anything. I have this really tight in my eyes, and it's kind of hurting my eyeballs. Hey, there's a cat.
There she is.
I don't even know, basically, I don't even know like what this drawer is. I'm just gonna pick an item, but do I guess I kind of like lightly feel?
I mean, I guess.
Because I'm lightly feeling, so you're like, I guess, girl.
Try not to feel shapes though, because some of these items have specific shapes.
I have no idea what this is.
That's what you're going with?
This is what I'm going with.
All right.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is so much fun. I love this.
She knows that shape.
That feels like a Becca.
Yep.
I'm like, that's Becca.
Powders, Miss LAURALEE.
Oh yes, honey. Oh my god, I felt an angel.
Yeah, there was a cat.
I felt an angel.
You can't play with the cats right now, Laura. We're filming videos. Just molesting all your drawers here. Laura!
Bitch, you almost took the camera.
Holla if you need me.
Here are the items I picked for this video. So happy I picked this. I'm not gonna lie, I felt the velvet, but it could have been Prism, it could have been Subculture, it could have been their other one, Modern Renaissance, but I'm happy this one's on top. Lashes, yes, this is good. NARS, this is good. I think this is not necessarily my shade, but hey, we'll make it work. Becca concealer, I don't know why I still have it, because I don't love it. As you can see, it's been setting there for a little bit. This is Bye Bye Pores. I have not used this in forever, girl. This is an amazing highlight palette. Hi. We're gonna start this video off in a positive place. Bronzer, I don't necessarily use. Praise God. We got Laura Mercier. Oh man, this blush shade. I mean, it's not bad, but it's literally probably not gonna show up on me. And then for my Fenty lip color, I'm so sad. Actually, I was hoping to get a fun color, but I literally got a color that I've already, I think, used on my channel. Oh, gross. See, this is like old and dry. Great. Oh! It like sharded water. What is happening? This is not, I'm not even gonna talk about what that, squirt out a little turdlet of it. She had been sitting there a while, so now you guys believe me when I tell you I hadn't been using it. So I have this whelp on my face. I've never had a bump right here in my life, like almost under my eyeball, and it's hard as a rock and it hurts. It almost feels like a bug bite. Next, we'll put on this NARS foundation that I've really been liking. It's called the Natural Radiant Longwear. I picked the shade M1. Give it a good shake. The shade's been setting there as well. Oh, this is brand new. I haven't used this one because I found my shade that I like in this foundation, but this ain't it. We're gonna use our trusty Y6. This shade actually will probably work for me. It just looks slightly light. It looks, yeah, just like a little bit off, but that's okay. It'll work out. oh, it is a little too light. Oh, I forgot a brow product. My Becca highlighter, I got the shade Light, which this one is so, has like this really pink undertone and it's very liquidy without like a ton of coverage. So it's not my favorite concealer, so I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of it. I'm gonna take my Y6 as usual and just blend that out as well. This brush is great for all cream product. So girl, just blend away. Next, I'm gonna take, thank goodness I got this Laura Mercier setting powder. It's one of my favorites. I'm gonna go ahead and just set that makeup. Guys, if you didn't know, which I know you don't know because I haven't told you, hello, but I like literally filmed on Sunday for like 12, I got powder in my eye, 12 hours. We filmed a really cool video for my vlog channel, and it's just a project, like, oh, it's a passion project. It's something I've been wanting to do for like a minute. Sunday, we finally got the chance to do it and like find the time to do it. So I was like, this passion project's definitely gonna be a weekend project because I work Monday through Friday on my channel, my brand, and then I normally try to save the weekends for like things I need to do around my house or like things I need, errands I need to run, like everyday life stuff I try to do on the weekend. But now I think I'm gonna let my passion project take over my weekend. It's gonna be worth it. Anyway, so now I'm gonna move on to this Becca bronzer. This is Bronze Bondi. This is her Sunlit bronzer. My eye is literally burning because I stabbed it with powder. Like an R14, which is one of my favorite brushes for bronzer and contouring. Someone is out there like weed eating, leaf blowing, and I'm just like, can we do it on the weekend? I have to film. You guys can't hear it. Oh, honey. This is, I can't remember exactly why I don't like go for this bronzer that much. It's pretty, but it's like not for me. Next, I'm gonna dive into this NARS blush and we're gonna see how it plays out. I'm gonna take a Y4 brush and let's see how this works. It's picking, oh, it's really pretty. Just a little bit of color. I like this blush. So this one is actually called Misconduct. You know NARS likes their little naughty names for stuff, so that's cute. Highlighter, I love this little NARS palette. I'm gonna take like this lightest shade actually, maybe mix it in with this one. This is a R36 highlighter brush and it's my favorite. And you can see like, I'm like, the drama. That literally enhanced the knot on my face. I'm gonna go ahead and set it. This is the Morphe Prep and Set. Here is the Soft Glam palette. It's really pretty. It is a warm tone neutrally palette. Lots of warmer browns in it, and then a couple shimmers. I go in with Orange Soda. Orange Soda is like one of the first eyeshadow shades ever from ABH. I remember, I feel like it came in the Lavish palette. Who remembers the Lavish palette? Who's like an OG ABH fan? I definitely am. I used to always buy like whatever they put out. Like that was just like my thing. And I really love the Lavish palette. Like I had hit pan on like every color, so I feel like Orange Soda is like one of those colors that they had since the beginning. Now I'm gonna go in with the Burnt Orange shade. I'm gonna take Sienna on an R39 brush. I like to take just a little bit on the tip of the brush and then start to work it in because I wanna deepen up that outer corner of the eye. You can really start to push it on. That's lash glue right there, so we'll just pretend that's not there. And then we'll start to soften out the edges. Next, I'll grab some Mulberry, and I'm basically just gonna deepen up that outer corner a little bit more. I love a good dark outer corner. And I'll just grab a tiny bit of Noir on that same brush, but just add it right there. I'm gonna take bronze on a 4-2-1. I'm gonna hit it with a little bit of the Morphe Prep and Set, and that way the brush is dampened. And then I'm gonna take this brush. Oh girl, this color is pretty. I take the black shade on an E36, and I'm just gonna kind of try to carve out a little bit more. I'm now gonna add some Roller Lash. Little handy dandy roller lash. I'll grab Sienna on an E36 and just buff that from the outer corner, connecting it right there, and then just bringing it on around. I'll take the black shade on a flat little brush like this, which is great for the lower lash line, and just get it really close to those lower lashes. Actually gonna pop some of Fairy, ooh, right there to the inner corner because it needs a little Shazam. Next is for Fenty. Very pretty color, but I just feel like it's like not matching. I'm gonna take some of this burnt orange. Girl, something's gotta give because I'm just not. I added some eyeshadow in with the lip color because it was so peach and like in your face, and it kind of didn't match the eye look. I love the way like this little very soft cut crease kind of turned out. It's really pretty, and I love the palette. I feel like my foundation, like compared to this, is like a little light and not matching. We made it work. Hey! So what do you guys think? Leave a comment down below. And yeah, I think this is such a fun video to film. I love putting a spin and a twist on a makeup tutorial and making a challenge out of it. Thank you all so much for watching. If you haven't joined the LAURALEE family, go ahead and subscribe. Become a LAURALEE today. And girl, this lash better settle down because I feel it lifting. I love you guys. See you in the next video. Bye! Just So whenever I film videos, my pants normally always look like this in the end because, let's be real, I use this like a napkin. I'm a messy girl.